Stop now.
Are we good now?
We're good. Cameras are rolling.
This episode of Young's Customs TV, we're going to be getting these 4x4s running, rally style.
So you can start them first. My money's on the electronic fuel system.
All right, set, go.
I don't have a battery tray to set it on.
Me either.
Me neither. You got more of a battery tray than I do.
Don't forget to use the bungee.
You got wrenches?
No. Do you?
No wrenches?
Who needs wrenches?
This thing's loose as heck. Ah!
Make sure you got the right one there. Well, my battery won't even fit underneath this frickin' support. That won't work.
I'm gonna need a bungee cord, guys.
You got one.
Be moving. I got one. Oh, I
There's
do
a
got
bungee
one.
there.
It's already been figured out for me.
Oh yeah.
Oh, there's no rocker left. I forgot. Come on, baby. Woo! Victory is mine. Ah!
I gave him the one that was a good running vehicle, not the hunk of shit.
The widow boy we couldn't start.
Yeah, she seemed low. You gonna drive it over here then?
Yep, I will have to. First time. How long has it been sitting here?
Which one?
This one. 2 years?
I had it running last year.
Yeah, but I mean, how long has it been sitting here? It's probably been 2 years
Well, since I've owned it.
since we've moved it from this spot. I mean,
Last year.
oh,
I took it out and drove it, got her warmed up. Superfly machine.
do you still need a battery charge?
Okay.
Hit her.
Huh?
You gonna hit her?
Yeah.
Okay. Go to go.
Just Just wiggle the connections.
Grabbing that spray. So top of the toolbox. Hold on.
It's an electronic fuel pump. So. Okay, oh! We got fuel. Maybe the floats, well, they'd be stuck open though. All right, if you hit her now, we got gas, I put gas down the carburetor, so yeah.
Awesome.
Finally. Of course, I got a bee in here with me. I wish this window would go down. I thought we had that working.
I'm going for a low.
Little drinky poo for the both of you.
Whoop, I was just gonna put a half a can. Huh, whatever.
Yeah, well, that looks like a half.
Half can. Oh, we're gonna see which one. Play tug of war here.
Which one do you think's gonna win? Put your comments below.
Your drop. Tell him to shut her down. That looked like a stalemate.
Yeah, I did. Oh! Stop! Oh, we had a casualty.
Oh, unhook me. I got temp issues. We're at 210.
Yeah, you're unhooked.
Good.
That was violent.
Yeah.
Nothing caught on fire.
No.
Good thing that happened out here in the testing ground.
Yeah. That's where we wanted it to happen.
60 mile an hour on our road, that cargo would be gone. Yep.
Hercules. Whoa! You almost broke the lens.
Alright.
Okay, we'll be right back. I bet that thing would go through some stuff, huh?
Yeah. I drove it, snow too quickly in the winter.
I remember riding in it in the winter and we just blasted through everything.
I drove it out through the field with snow.
Really? I can't see. Oh, it's fender well.
What happened? Huh? Fender well?
Yeah.
What did you do to my truck? Hey, man. Oh my God. Stop to it.
That those wires, if you clip those, it'd come right out.
All right. Well, hope you had fun.
Yeah, we did.
To, visit it again.
Yeah, till next week. And we'll catch you next week, folks. Hey, one more thing. If you haven't hit that like button, subscribe, share with your friends. We appreciate y'all tuning in. I was kind of running the camera today. I'm not normally the cameraman, so not sure on the quality, but we'll catch you next week. You all have a good week.